In today's world, cloud and network IT ops using complex technologies such as VMware NSX have become increasingly complicated. Managing these complex systems requires mastering numerous tools, with critical knowledge scattered across GUIs, user guides, online articles, and log files. Navigating this maze demands extensive effort and time that IT admins simply don't have. Introducing VMware NSX AI Agent powered by Allen AI that delivers a superhuman capability to IT admins. NSX AI Agent seamlessly integrates into the NSX Manager. For example, the cloud administrator may ask, "Why are HR employees unable to log in?" The Allen AI agent will perform several iterations of recursive reasoning. It will collect relevant documentation, search the knowledge base, identify necessary APIs to call, generate the execution plan and the code, analyze the system's state, and identify the root cause of the issue. The AI agent integrates deeply with NSX Manager UI, providing capabilities beyond traditional chatbots. It generates responses with actionable links that can navigate directly to the exact UI elements in the NSX Manager UI for all objects mentioned in the response. Take action, such as fixing the issue if possible. Open static documents at the exact location from which the information used in response was taken. Let us take you behind the scenes to see how the AI agent handles complex queries. We'll look at Allen AI Studio, a low-code IDE where the AI agent can be configured to connect to all of your enterprise data sources, both static and dynamic. Allen AI learns and builds its dynamic knowledge memory by discovering the relevant APIs necessary to build execution plans. Allen AI sees the system as an interconnected graph of API functions and data types. Similarly, Allen AI consults various static data corpora, technical configuration guides, troubleshooting manuals, online user forums, or log files to build a semantic database that preserves the structure of documents, cross-references, tables, lists, images, diagrams, and other structural elements. Transforms is the core technology where the agent is taught to reason across these various data sources. A few examples of reasoning in some use cases in plain English provided by the developer is enough for the agent to generalize and autonomously reason over a wide range of complex scenarios, giving it almost unlimited functionality. The agent's autonomous reasoning, planning, data retrieval, and API calls are completely traceable, transparent, and explainable. Let's see the execution trace of the query we used in the example. Here, you can see all the reasoning steps and data used to generate the response. Allen AI Studio collects and analyzes the history of user interactions and provides a human-in-the-loop functionality to tune and adjust the agent's behavior by editing its reasoning in plain English and immediately tests the results. Allen AI is the first AI platform to code itself and use recursive reasoning to support any complex user request. Developing agents with the Allen AI platform is easy. It offers various deployment options, from desktop to private cloud or SaaS. Build your reasoning AI agent that is explainable, controllable, and extensible that provides a fully immersive user experience.